In this question, you have to match the components given in list 1 with those in list 2. Lipase is an enzyme that breaks down fats by hydrolyzing ester bonds, resulting in the release of glycerol and fatty acids. Thus, A matches with 2. Now, nucleus is responsible for the digestion of nucleic acids, that is, DNA and RNA, by cleaving phosphodiester bonds and breaking the nucleic acids into smaller units like nucleotides. Thus, B matches with 4. Proteases hydrolyzes peptide bonds, breaking down proteins into smaller peptides and amino acids. Thus, C matches with 1. And amylase works on carbohydrates, specifically breaking the glycosidic bonds in polysaccharides like starch. And it breaks down starch into maltose, which is a disaccharide. And it is further broken down by the enzyme maltase into glucose molecules for easier absorption on energy production. Thus, D matches with 3. Hence, the correct answer is option A.